Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this time we still have another product to test. It's a product I used to have on my RAV4 Prime 2021, and I decided to test it on the BZ4X as well. It is the Noxshield product. It is the cover to pretty much safeguard, cover your charging port to avoid snow, freezing rain, anything you don't want inside your charging port while you're charging outside. This is the cover to have. This is very much useful for people who have a lot of snow, a lot of freezing rain, or even anyone who wants to pretty much keep the charging port clean even from rain if you're parking it outside. So let me show you how it works, and I'll also put the link below on where you can order the Noxshield product. Hey guys, before installing I just forgot a few details, two important details. First of all, this is made local here in Quebec, so it's not far from here, so that's pretty neat. And also this is made from 100% recycled rubber. So I just figured, that would be important for me to tell you guys, especially for whoever's in Canada. The fact that you're buying local here, that's pretty good. And the fact that this is being 100% recycled material. All right, now let's really get to the installation. So just a quick reminder where the charging port is, guys, before we install the charging port cover. So it is on the driver's side, front driver's side, and how you open the charging port is by pressing it. You do have level 2 and level 3. Well, it's not really level 3, guys. Everyone says no level 3, but this is DC fast charging, so DCFC. But the cover does not cover the it's not adapter for DC fast charge, because you will never stay more than 15, 30 or max 1 hour for most cars on a DC fast charge. So the cover is designed to go when you're charging on a level 2 charger. That's really important. That's where it takes the most time. Usually for the BZ4X, it's 10 hours, and most of the cars is between 10 and 12 hours. So that's where it was designed. It's for the level 2 charger. And when you'll be plugged in, you want to cover all this. And it's very easy, guys, when this is plugged in. There's nothing pretty much covering this. Snow will get in here. Rain will get in here, and worse in Canada, freezing rain and snow, especially today, guys. I believe it's minus 30 here, and that's very cold. Minus 30 Celsius. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit, but it's pretty cold in here for the past few days. So let's say you have freezing rain or you have snow here that gets stuck. It could get uncomfortable, and it could get tricky here to clean this up in order for you to take out your charger. So having that covered does help to minimize a little bit the cleaning that you'll have to do if your car is parked outside. So let me show you how to put the cover on. So what you want to do is first find out the little cutouts where they go. So the little circle goes here, the little square rectangle goes here, and this goes around the actual trap, the door trap. The best way I found to use this is usually put the gun first and then align the gun itself with the charger where you want to plug it in. Once that's done and you know exactly where it needs to go, the rest goes very naturally. So you just have to push in the little circle here, the other one at the top here, right here, and then this one here you want to put in the actual cover for the level 2, and this one you just tuck it in, and then you just plug it in, and you just want to make sure there's a perfect seal for all of these, and that's it. So right now you'll be preventing snow, water, freezing rain, anything else going into your charging port. So if you're leaving your car outside, so far this is the safest way, in my opinion, to do it without scratching your paint with all the other products. The other way to put this which is also doable. It's pretty much if you want to put the cover already, and then you can align the gun and put it inside. This is a little more trickier, guys, so that's why I don't suggest this trick, because you'll have to perfectly align the gun and then put it inside here, and it'll get locked. It's just a little bit harder, but if this is something you're more comfortable with, you can also do it this way. Or the other trick, like I mentioned, you put the cover on the gun first, and then afterwards you insert it. That's it, folks. Hope you liked the video. So just a reminder, the link is in the description below if you want to get the charger. And also, they don't make the charger just for the BZ4X. They make it for a lot of other EVs like the ID4, Kona, Mach-E. So whichever EV that you might have or your friends might have, just go on the website, or just message them on Messenger, and they will answer you if they have it in stock. And they do ship in the United States as well. It's not just only for Canada. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. As usual, if you like the video, any feedback is always appreciated. And if there's any other products that you guys think I should be testing. So thank you. Be safe. I'll see you next time.